Yeah, man. So today we are the donors and the viewers them are celebrate the anniversary. I don't know, we them a chat the journey from the start. I wanna see no ending yet.
Yeah, man.
You know,
There's no ending to this, you know.
No.
A greatness and goodness, you know. And it will be forever.
Good.
You understand? This is just the beginning. A lot of great things there ahead, you know.
Yeah.
Just we need us, we are patient.
Yeah. So this are the one now.
Fry, steamed curry.
We have fry.
And that's a curry.
It's a curry, you don't mind the curry up in the cell. Flip it up, yeah. So this are the fry, what do you call it? Escabeche?
Escabeche fry with a whole heap of pepper, onion and carrot.
See the all the baby husband them.
Vinegar.
Jamaica style. Program, so what baby do ya?
It's a Jamaica style.
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Whoa. Zaka, zo. Alright, man.
Don't know, it's a blessing in our DreamTeam anniversary today. It's a blessing all the doing, you know. We give thanks to everything you want to do, you know. All the people we have, you make us say, yo, take it serious, you know. Yeah, man. We love what we do, man. DreamTeam there, I give thanks for you there, yeah. Our day, one team, DreamTeam.
Our day, man. It's a blessing day. It's the start of the journey. It's in the start from now. It's in because of 1 year anniversary.
Yeah. DreamTeam 1 year anniversary.
We are enjoying today. It's a blessed day, man. Yeah, man. We love all the donors that we carry for 1 year, man.
Yeah.
You know, they are pushing the work again. It's in because of the start this again.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So the donors them. 1 year, so 1 year come fast.
Yeah.
space. Enough time, 1 year already, you know.
Space, enough
Yeah,
time.
so, enough love, enough makeup by Michelle.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Fry it.
Yeah, it's a kick up.
Yeah, man, I kick up in the makeup.
Yeah, man. Well done, man.
Kick up, man. You
Good
see
job.
what I'm saying? Fry up, so.
Because we from the first anniversary. Because first day, so.
Yeah, man, makeup by Michelle. So this is the chef them in the kitchen today. And you know, baby do the fish them.
Yeah.
You know, the clean team, baby.
Yeah.
Do the fish them today. You know, you have Lady and Wormy and the wow chef.
Yeah.
Zaga, so mash up the kitchen with the rest of the things them, you know, so we have the I could show them what the chicken are going with. See it makeup by Michelle. This is what the fryer done.
Yes, man.
Deep fryer.
Deep fry, that's in the makeup.
You know? How the wow FC.
Yeah, man.
Double FC. Come out of the fryer.
Yeah, man.
See that the wow FC.
See that, man.
Wait, can't hold it. Wow. Look like real KFC when you say the wow FC.
Yeah, man, the wow shape this, yeah. Put in a sauce, you know.
Yeah.
And it's delicious.
Delicious.
You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
Every time, real thanks, man. Who provide the meal? We got big up Flex from East Kingston.
Flex.
From East Kingston.
East Kingston.
Yeah, we live in the US.
A beer flex today. A beer flex. All up in Nigeria.
Yeah, man.
Just a flex, so.
Yeah.
All go.
Yeah.
Who's a flex now? I know the thing going on.
Give thanks in me, Mr. Flex.
That's the idea.
Yeah,
man. Look out for the people.
Beautiful, my
All
general.
up flex.
Yeah, man, Flex. Big up yourself, Flex from East Kingston, who live in the US, providing the meal today for DreamTeam anniversary. Isn't it?
Boy, all got flex.
Yeah, man, all got flex.
Yeah, the DreamTeam
Alright, man.
flex, you know.
And we show them the fish again over here, so baby go on with baby are going to big things, people.
Yeah, sit down.
See this? So this are the one now.
Right, steam curry,
We have fry.
and that's a curry.
It's a curry, you don't mind the curry up in the cell. Lift it up, yeah. So this are the fry, what you call it? Escabeche.
Escabeche fry with a whole heap of pepper, onion and carrot.
See the all the baby husband them.
Vinegar.
We
Jamaica
on the
style.
program here, so what baby do ya?
It's a Jamaica style.
Yeah. Alright, so the steam over here, say yeah. All baby and craft. Yo, baby special. Beautiful. The baby special, you know. Clean team baby. Baby special, no lie. And the cake now, DreamTeam cake. The whole DreamTeam is a barge there, well clean. Dazzle. Everybody talk to there.
Yeah.
Michelle by makeup, all for love, you know.
Makeup by Michelle.
Makeup by Michelle, all for love, you know.
Yeah.
All the people, all for love, I hear that, all for love.
DreamTeam 1 year anniversary and we have in a all white. Dressed in a all white.
A touch of black.
Yeah, with a touch of black. And we have baby Christy. He might run from the camera. He might run. And this cake now is by makeup by Michelle. DreamTeam cake.
Yeah.
See the makeup by Michelle. One team. DreamTeam, one team.
Christy rock out himself. Mr. Sweats, Mr. Sweats, do you know?
Yeah. Straight.
Yeah.
Chris. And we're always miserably, you know. You want them see the clean team. The dream team. Wajela. Out.
Can't talk about without Kino and the dream team, make it real.
Yeah,
And
no.
from the art, you know. If we not do it from the art, that makes sense.
Just.
Straight up. Many years to come.
So they must the dream team on a different level today.
Yeah.
It's an anniversary day, you know.
1 year anniversary, you know.
Yeah.
team, a 1 year anniversary.
1 year.
one.
All in one,
Yeah, man, so today we are the donors and the viewers them are celebrate their anniversary. I don't know, we and them a chat the journey from the start. I want to see no ending yet.
Yeah, man.
You know, and
There's no
dream.
ending to this, you know.
No.
Greatness and goodness, you know. And it will be forever.
Cool.
You understand? This is just the beginning. A lot of great things there ahead, you know.
Yeah,
Just we need us to be patient,
yeah.
you know.
Cool.
Continue the journey.
Everybody in the day has yet, you know, some are arrive late. So we have liquor here.
I big up.
Them say the swag. Yeah.
Kill them.
I thank everybody who up to this 1 year anniversary. Many blessings, many love.
Right down the line. The light parks on the sea already, yeah? Very clean. Hero.
Done already. One team, one dream, you understand? 111th anniversary as well, you understand?
Yeah. 1 year. Going down to the painter. Whoa. At least he not paint up himself today. Yeah, look at paint up on them shirts. See there's some blue. My blue and white paint for him shirt.
That day, you know.
Yeah.
See, 1 year anniversary, you know. You see, big up all the donor them. You see, whole heap of love and respect.
Yeah, man. Cause we never chat the journey right through, you know. Boom.
Yeah, they are celebrating by the journey, 1 year on the anniversary.
Same way. I know we're we're live and direct. Cox, man.
Young trade man.
Young trade man.
Big up to the donors, 1 year anniversary, you know. Enough love goes out, you know.
Every time.
DreamTeam.
One team. The rest of the ladies, you know, they come out here. Clean team. The rest of the man in the day yet.
Yo, them are pretty up.
Them are pretty up. But you know the ladies them already take all 3-4 hours to get ready, you know. For them time in different, don't all be.
Straight corner man, all of them doing them straight, you know. One for love, you know. Yeah man. My station, love game station.
Whoa.
Whoa.
We go to the upbeat station. Whoa. #1 radio station. Whoa. Dream Team. One team.
One team, dada.
Oh. Whoa, whoa. You see that? Only New York.
New York.
And I side part, and then see.
New York. Twice.
Not once.
Brooklyn, New York. So I go away based in New York.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Not once, but twice.
Yes,
you know?
chef. Twice New York.
Not once. Dream Team. Wait for the clean team ladies them. Couple more of the Dream Team members them rolled out. So Kino there already on the scene. We and Baja and the whole entourage. Whoa. You stay tuned for later on. It's not gonna normal. Dream Team.
One team.
Anniversary, we survive 1 year. Sticking together, you see me? That's what unity does, you know? And we keep the band same way. Every time. Them say them can't wait to see what Jella come out in a siren and all. Jesus!
No man, no frog man, you hear that?
Yeah. See that Milo?
Yeah, Milo, no frog.
No frog.
Yeah, we're gonna work with that.
Put your career front, Milo.
Yeah, for sure.
The only prefect I roll through.
One prefect.
One prefect. Jeez. Make sure the student them is in order. The prefect. We say 1 year we have to together.
Yes, man.
You know, real family.
Oh, yeah, man.
Nothing like styling gel like all this gel.
No.
Crazy glue.
Yeah, you see.
You know, 1 year.
1 year, and it's a joy, you know. No, say yeah. 1 year. I do something good.
Yeah.
Still going strong.
Going strong.
Yeah, I'm a team member then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, all the way, you know.
Yeah,
Good
man.
and bad times.
We ain't doing them on the journey for 1 year.
Donor. Yeah. Because without the donor, you don't know.
Would it be possible?
Yeah. So we have to just give thanks for everything.
Amen.
Donors, team member, teacher, one. You see?
Of course.
The Almighty. Alright.
Every time. Right again. Clean team ladies, them out. Wow, this is the beautiful Esther. Whoa. And Smiley. See, they're Smiley and Esther. Let them stay, take a picture of them. Whoa. Wow. Whoa, chef, I say, whoa.
Get up the donuts them.
Pick up the donuts them, you know what thing right, man.
Pick up the donuts them from all around the world. Whole heap of love, whole heap of blessing. Donuts.
Yes, Esther.
You relax,
Oh, Esther looking beautiful. Esther looking wow. Kadisha, wow. The ladies them stunning. Stunning.
Look, come here, make your stomach. My God.
Come here, look, go in the park. Come in, Jella. Come in the park. No, come in, Jella. Come in the park. Baby Sue, come.
I'm not man tight. Over there, someone for them.
Yeah. Get the ladies then. Baby Sue arrive. Jella, no, yes, for them, man.
Alright, yes, I get the minor one.
I got some Milo ones here, man, right at the park. From the ladies.
It's a great thing that, you know.
Yeah, man. It's a baby not ready yet. Now, baby, so alright, I see it when baby I roll through. Yeah. Yeah. Right, no, whoa. Sure. See, I'm just show them a fish where you go on with it now. So I realize the baby have the touch in all ways, you know. Complete wife, you know. Jeez! Mama, baby looking stunning. See there? Jeez, go and scan yours, yeah? X-ray thing, X-ray. See there, Clemmy? Lexus, Bima, Audi.
Clemmy. Big up all weird.
Big up the donuts, them, baby. See there, 1 year down the line.
Donuts there. 1 year I was still standing. Going and going, no turning back.
No turning back. The mother one for baby this after. I give you that, man. Cheers.
Thank you.
Wait till we go live. When them see everybody out and stunting.
I'm gonna get some credit for my phone.
100 Psalms.
Yeah, man, a genius.
Oh.
We from Germany to come from.
Hey, Sabaja shirt, the ones that are doing the video that dance. Color them a dance in the video. Wave. Wait, I walk one. I walk cast it for your dance. Colorful, man. How colors there? Alright, so Sabaja, we have a drink from Ray from Germany. You know, Ray from Germany.
Don't know anywhere from Germany.
And the day?
Be a food basket never empty, you know. You don't know the things set, you know. After I push through the good work, make them things and go through, you know.
Yeah.
I big up a 1 year anniversary to you know, my general. You don't know. You see?
Yeah.
Whole heap of love and respect and honor.
Blessed, Ray from Germany. It's a blessed day and a special day. Knowing that today is the anniversary of the DreamTeam.
Yeah.
From the start until this time. And it's really nice to know, so boy, we go through 1 year without any chaos. The gel, the love, and the passion, and the energy to do the work still continue. I'm not seeing a little drift.
Yeah.
So it inspires us to even push it more further and take it to the next year and the year behind. So we'll be here for a lifetime.
Yeah.
You understand?
Oh, no.
Because this is just the genesis.
Yeah.
And there is no time for exodus.
Never.
So we are continuing the journey. So Ray from Germany, namesake to you know, because Ray this to you know.
Yeah.
Ray Barger.
Ray Barger.
Yeah, man. You understand?
Sure.
So as I said, donuts across the world. You know, so we're not going to celebrate with us tonight because You always there from day one until this time. I know so still amongst us. I still continue to do the work and give it the support and give it the energy and the people in need of TrenchTown. Yeah. Bramovic. From day one until this time, I'm a rum party. Yeah. Rum comparison, rum party.
Yeah.
To the hard way.
Every time. Yeah. Come on, DreamTeam. Colors in yellow.
Yeah, how's everybody doing, man? I told him you told me from yesterday.
Yeah.
My next door neighbor, she come banging down my door just now. Yeah, I have to ask her, what's the matter with you? You getting crazy or what?
Yeah,
so I told her, Kino told me from yesterday, bro.
Alright, then go on in there.
Yeah.
I got to do one video. Rosa, you see how look from them. See the pants, see Ali the pants, see you. We have special guest Rosa Rose is here today. Special guest, you know, be a performance and thing. DreamTeam. One team. DreamTeam. Clean team. One team. See, only team, DreamTeam. So we have 2 members missing. Then with them are gonna arrive late. We have Kedan and Joe. So see that them are probably them as a cars and they find them way soon arrive. Yeah, so with no further ado, we have some donation. We all stick together with the unity. So right now, a family, none of we are some friends. A straight family. All of we are, you know, see there? So a pure family there, so nothing, no friends, but not a straight family, and we are keep that gel. I'm saying, not even styling gel, no one like our glue. Bigger than styling gel. Crazy glue, it's well compressed. Well compressed, right baby?
Yeah.
Baja?
Yeah.
See there? 1 year on, and we have colors there. So we not stop. So the journey continue. So with no further ado, we then again to one clap the owners them now, because them track the journey with you now. Yeah. Because remember the journey, the owners them track the journey with you know. Them never fear that. Them stick right by us, right through. 1 year on, the donors them still never fade. Them still there the same way. And them continue fuel the engine for continue this journey. Without the donors them, would have probably do something else. Yeah, so them keep this thing ticking like a time bomb. But it not gonna explode. It just keep ticking. Because there's no ending to it. So that means that there's no explosion. Right, so with no further ado, we have some donation for the team for an anniversary. So we're gonna start it like this first before we go start party. So everybody can have a little change in them pocket. So we can go and party and feel nice, right? Them say when the night that's all gone. So first we're gonna start off with some individuals. First, get this over with. So we have start off with Baja. So we have $8,000 for Baja from Marlene and Courtney Alexander from Queens, New York. $8,000 for Baja.
Marlene Alexander. Courtney
Alexander, yeah.
Yeah, Alexander and Courtney from Queens.
Yeah.
It's nice to know that, boy. On this special day, 1 year now since the DreamTeam started. It's nice to know that you people were there from day one until this time.
Yeah.
Still continuing. So as we can say, it's much love, appreciation, blessing.
Yeah.
It's really touching right now, you know. Lots of words and things because if you know, so yeah, come from so far until this time as one family and one unit and we still stick together. And it's a blessing if you know, so boy, from day one until this time because when we see the cause, our answer to it was Jinjin before until this time and the donors were right there on board. And up to the day, name keep on repeating over and over the same set of donors and new donors because of the work and the goodness we are trying to do and make a difference in TrenchTown. And this day is especially for the donors, you understand? Because without you people and with the intention that we have to make the thing better and purposeful, without you people it's not possible.
Sure.
So I say blessed, much love, much thanks, and thanks for your support 1 year now. I hope to see many years to come. You will still be with us because we will be here representing just the same and try to make a difference in some of the life and put a smile on some of the face and make TrenchTown better. Blessed love, one team.
Dream team. We have liquor from $2,000 from Miss UKP from the UK. Miss UKP.
Thank you, Miss UKP. Many blessings, many love, many grateful. And give God thanks. We live to see the 1 year anniversary and hopefully to see many more. And all of the donors them hopefully to see many more and add over and come over with also the Dream Team.
Yeah, Dream Team. Yeah, we have Painter. Come through, Painter. Yeah, so we have $5,000 for Painter from Marlene and Courtney Alexander from Queens, New York.
Well, Marlene Alexander and Courtney, big up.
Marlene and Courtney Alexander. From Queens, New York.
From Queens, New York. Let's big up on yourself, you know, me and the food basket never empty, you know. Because we have to just go and push through the work, you know.
Yeah.
Today 1 year anniversary, but you don't know, you know. Big up yourself, you know, mama. DreamTeam!
One team! And we have Hero. Hero. Yeah. So we have $10,000 for Hero from Hamza from New York.
Yeah man, I bought your place, so I have to say New York twice. Yeah man.
Twice.
You know? I gotta give thanks for life first, you understand?
Yeah.
Big up Hamza, you understand?
Yeah.
Dream Team, I just want you, Father God guide us, you understand?
Yeah.
And see us through.
Alright then, see you there. We have Jella.
You're a boss.
We have Jella. We have $5,000 for Jella from Miss UKP from the UK. Yeah.
Miss UKP. Wally Palo, Wally Patams. Your food basket never empty. You put up yourselves, chill. You got the 1 year anniversary. All the donuts, baby. Chill.
Here you go. Alright. Baby. From baby have $5,000 from Special A from Canada. $5,000 from Special A from Canada.
Special A from Canada. Many thanks and many blessings, and may your food basket never empty. May God continue to shine upon you and bless you.
Zaga Zao, Marvin. We have $5,000 for Marvin from Marlene and Courtney Alexander from Queens, New York.
Alexander from Queens, New York.
Yeah.
Wally for love, Wally for blessings. Give God thanks.
Yeah.
1 year anniversary now. I mean, I tell you now, I love all of you in the world. Without Uno, I tell you now, and the money, Uno, you see, push me to do the thing there.
Yeah.
Long time and do it, and Genius and the Moses. You see, so 1 year now.
So we give Marlene and Courtney Alexander a round of applause, please. And we have a donation from Vina, from Georgia, for Baja, $5,000. From Vina, from Georgia.
Georgia is on my mind. Vina. Boy, love, blessings and thanks. That's special day, you know.
Yeah.
And it's a feel good moment.
Yeah.
You understand? We feel the energy. And we are blessed to be here because Father God still guide and protect us and cover us.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of tragedy along the way.
Yeah.
You understand? A lot of things where could have distract us and cause us to think otherwise, get frustrated and give up. But with the determination and know so boy, we are do the right thing. And with you, because trust me, I want you to know since you come out and you say, yeah, do all of this and I do it for the love. From day one until this time, it wasn't about the money, but it's about making a difference in somebody's life. You see the cost and the needs of somebody. And you share the moment, you bring all of us and all of us come together.
Yeah.
And the same faces right now. That alone is a blessing to know say nobody no absent and nobody no missing. You understand? So it only can get better.
Yeah.
So blessed love and thanks, you know.
Vina.
And thanks for your call. Talking Vina.
Another donation for Baby. So we have separate. So we have Karen Brown from the US, send 28,000 for Baby towards our mansion. Karen Brown. So that's Karen Brown from the US, 28,000.
Thank you very much, Karen Brown from the US. May your food basket never empty. May God continue to guide and protect you and keep safe as we out here are trying to keep safe. Many blessings. Thank you very much.
So we thank all the donors them for that contribution. So
Yeah, man.
alright, so we have another donation from Patricia from the UK for 10 members to get $3,000 each. So the first member is Talpi. So we have 3,000 from Patricia from the UK.
Patricia, holy for love, you know. Holy for blessing, I hear that. All they're doing on them, big up, you know. DreamTeam.
We have Hero. 3,000 from Patricia from the UK.
Yeah man, me have to give thanks, you understand? Because I'm my month this month, you understand? So everything is a blessing, you understand?
Yeah, good thanks. We have Ali. $3,000 from Patricia from the UK.
Patricia from the UK. Pick up yourself in a Patricia from the UK. You see me saying? Words can explain to how Baja say it. 1 year now. Wow. It's a blessing for 1 year for what we are doing. We not do it for the money. We are do it for yourself, Marvin. You see me saying? And it make me very emotional when me speak, you know, so I don't want to let it out too much. You see me I say, donors them love we, you know. You see me I say, and what them a do for we, it no stop yourself. More of a come, gentlemen, because this is just the icing on the cake. More of a come, because
then. Painter. Come, Painter. From Patricia from the UK. Go back.
Patricia from the UK, you have the same name like my sister still now, but anyway, just big up yourself and stay safe. And you don't know, may Father God bless you and may your food basket never empty.
Yeah.
One team.
We have Boom. $3,000 from Patricia from the UK.
Patricia from the UK, blessing and one love. Take care of yourself and Hannah. Thank you for this dope.
Yeah. Taxman. Young tradesman.
Yeah.
3,000. Yeah, from Patricia.
Heart alone. Blessings. May your food basket never empty. Donors, big up on yourself in 1 year. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I have to give thanks to all out there see him. Yeah. So it's a blessing. Yeah. God is good. Yeah. Big up to
Light Parks. Light Parks. 3,000 from Patricia.
Patricia, give thanks, you know, and blessings, you know, more love, you know. 1 year anniversary, and love to everybody out there, you know. Yeah. One team, dream team, you know. Yeah. Patricia, my favorite auntie, yeah?
Yeah. Esther. So Patricia said must welcome the two dream team ladies, clean team ladies, them Kadisa and Esther to it. So we have 3,000 for Esther. Also, Patricia.
Thanks, Miss Patricia, for this donation. God bless you.
And we have Smiley, Kadisa.
Thanks, Miss Patricia, for this token. And I pray that Father God will give you health and strength. Each and every one, each and every donor, health and strength. In the name of Jesus.
And we have one for Kedan, but Kedan is not here as yet. So we'll put down Kedan until he arrives. So We give thanks to Patricia from the UK. So we're moving on to the next donations. Alright then, so we have another donation from 9 members in the team. And this is from Southeast London Teacher from London for 2,000 each for 9 members from Southeast London Teacher. So we have first name Light Parks. Southeast Teacher from London.
Teacher from Southeast. More blessings in her, more love in her.
Yeah.
God bless you all the way. Straight.
Yeah. We have Wormy. From Southeast London Teacher.
Southeast London Teacher, blessed love, guidance, protection. One.
Young tradesman. David. Southeast London Teacher.
Southeast London Teacher. Blessings, heart of love. May your food basket never empty. My donors, big up on yourself, you know, because I want to make this possible, you know.
Yeah.
1 year, you know, TrenchTown! 1 year!
Then we have Boom. From Southeast London Teacher.
From Southeast London Teacher, blessing and love for this token. Guide and protect it forever.
We have Ali. Southeast London Teacher.
Southeast London Teacher.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, you know. May the God guide and protect you each and every day, and may your food basket never empty. DreamTeam!
We have Prefect. Come on. So that's Southeast London Teacher.
Southeast London Teacher. Enough love, you know. Worrying for respect and appreciate you. Thanks.
Yeah. Talpi.
Southeast London, big up, you know.
Yeah.
All the England people, and big up, you know. 1 year, you know, it's a going boy, you know. It's a going good, you know. Nothing to stop this, you know. 1 year, I'm a teacher, this my flash one.
Yeah.
What if I love a teacher? Young Kino, big up, you know. DreamTeam.
Whoa, Chef. Southeast London Teacher.
Southeast London Teacher.
Yeah.
Enough love and respect, yeah? Yeah, man. South London.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Twice.
Yeah. Joe. Southeast London Teacher.
Teacher from Southeast London. Thank you for your token, respect and love. All the time.
Yeah, you can. So that is from Southeast London Teacher. Yeah. So moving on to the another donations. Yeah, so we have Marlene and Courtney Alexander again from Queens, New York for the DreamTeam ladies. 3,000 each. Miley.
Marlene and Courtney Alexandra.
Yeah.
New York.
Yeah.
New York. Thanks very much for your love and showing us that you care. And I hope that your food basket never empty. Thank you.
Yeah. from Liquor. Marlene and Courtney Alexander from New York.
Marlene and Courtney Alexander from New York. Many love, many blessings. And I want to tell you, say, what do you know? We're going to Ali Mother yard. And somebody send a donation for Ali Mother in a wheelchair. We just want you to big up yourself with that person that was in the wheelchair with many love and many honor for all of the dream team were there. So.
Jella from Marlene and Courtney Alexander from New York.
Marlene and Courtney Alexander. Many bless. Thank you very much. Their food basket never empty. Dream team. One team. All I do is them. Big up yourself.
So we have Esther.
For your kind gesture, God bless you.
Yes, baby.
Never empty. Thank you very much for supporting Dream Team, and may God continue to bless you all.
Yeah, so that's Marlene and Courtney Alexander from Boya Place, Queens, New York. Give them a round of applause. Alright then, so on to another donation. Yeah, so we have another donation from E from the US for the Clean Team ladies, 2,000 each. So come Smiley from E from the US.
E from the US, thanks very much. Much love, and I hope your food basket never run dry.
E from the US.
Many thanks, many blessings. If your food basket will never empty. Father God, guide and protect.
Esther. From E from the US.
Thanks, E from the US, for your kind gesture. May the good Lord bless you and keep you.
Thank you very much, E from the US. May God continue to bless you and may your food basket never empty.
Jella from E.
E from the US. Holy blessing. May your food basket never empty.
Alright, so that is E from the US. So give her a round of applause. Yeah. So we have another donation. Another donation for the team from SOW Ministry. So Ministry from Maryland in the US. Yeah, send 5,000 each for the Dream Team members. So this is SOW Ministry from Maryland from the US. So give them a round of applause. Yeah, so we have 5,000 each for the members from the SOW Ministry. So wow, chef.
Wow.
So Ministry.
So Ministry from the US. My place, you know. New York. I left New York, you know. New York. New York.
Let them see the outside.
Yeah.
Twice, you know.
Alright then.
I'm not more.
Yeah. Smiley. from Soul Ministry from Maryland.
Maryland.
Mhm.
Thanks very much for this donation. And I hope God keep on guiding you, blessing you all through the pandemic. Thanks so much.
Yeah. From SOW Soul Ministry from Maryland in the US. What is that?
SOW Ministry from New York, Maryland. Many thanks, many grateful, many honor. I'm glad on the day you're same way with us, right through the 1 year we have, and many love to all donors.
Yeah. Perfect. Soul Ministry from Maryland in the US.
Soul Ministry from Maryland in the US. Whole heap of thanks, whole heap of respect, and appreciate. May the good Lord continue to guide us. All donors across the world. One love.
Come. Joe. Soul Ministry from Maryland.
SOW, South Ministry from Maryland.
Mm-hmm.
1 year anniversary still, and I never seen up my first time still, you know. Thank you, and the rest of donor them. For spread joy from my brothers and sisters. Love and respect. Thank you for your token and your grace. All the time.
Boom. Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry from Maryland.
Yeah.
Thank you for this tokens and God bless you. One love.
Marvin.
Soul Ministry
from Maryland, USA.
Long time you there with me, you know. 1 year now. So you share the love. Me I share the love with you, same way. Give thanks for it, you know. Like I keep me going, same way. Blessed love, so much.
Soul Ministry from Maryland. More blessings and more thanks, you know. You see me I say, may your food basket never empty. May the Lord guide and protect you and be with you throughout the day and throughout the year. The 1 year anniversary we have against the team, we have the love amongst us. See, the love we have amongst us, as what we tell you say, is not for the money. We need for the love of our heart. You see me I say, and we are putting in the work. Baja, pick up yourself. One.
So Ministry from Maryland. You want to do for talk here. When you pray for all of the team members and the team sisters. Keep the unity straight and love, you know. One team, team. So Ministry from Maryland, more love, you know. God bless you.
Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry.
From Maryland.
To the one day, now watch it. Heart of love. Big up yourself, big up the donors there. DreamTeam! One day!
Where am I?
Soul Ministry from Maryland. Give thanks and blessing and all the donor, protection and guidance. Love.
Here.
Yeah. Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry.
Say that again.
Soul Ministry. SOW.
Oh, Soul Ministry.
Yeah, from Maryland.
From Maryland. Yeah, man. Soul Ministry from Maryland. Big up yourself. You understand? I give Father God thanks and guide all of my team members. Them. You understand?
Yeah. Every time.
1, 2.
Baja.
Yeah. You know, things God are able, you know. Soul Ministry. Big up yourself, you know. Many blessings, you know. Many thanks, you know. Trust me. Let's continue to pray and guide us and protect us. Love.
Straight.
Every time. Steady.
The Soul Ministry. May your food basket never empty, and may the Lord continue to guide you all and bless you.
Esther.
Queen of Hearts.
So ministry, I pray the good Lord continue to bless your ministry and keep you safe.
Yeah, anytime. Painter. From Soul Ministry from Maryland.
Soul Ministry from Maryland. Just big up yourself, you know. You see me? One love, don't know. DreamTeam.
One team. Oh, we have Jella. From Soul Ministry from Maryland.
Soul Ministry.
So,
Listen.
Soul Ministry.
Soul Ministry.
Easy, man. Go on, let's go. Hold on.
Come here, Nick. Come here.
Go on, Adiba.
No, she want it.
Yeah, Soul Ministry from New York.
Maryland, USA.
Big up yourself. Only for thanks. Give it. Big up yourself. One team. One team.
Yeah, so Kedan is not here. So Kedan want to put it. So that's SOW Ministry from Maryland. We give them a round of applause. Yeah. So that completed all for the donation. I would thank all the donors them that reach out from then to now. Blessings. Alright, so you don't know it's 1 year on and we still continue, so give thanks to the Almighty. You don't know without Him it wouldn't be possible. You know, I was still here, still stand strong. United we still stand as a Rasta Jackson with a faith. So,
Divided we fall, and if our back shall ever be against the wall, we be together forever, you and I. One more time. United we stand, divided we fall, and if our back shall ever be against the wall, we be together forever, you and I. Oh yeah. United we stand, divided we fall. Come on, and if the back shall ever be against the wall, we be together forever, you and I.
so we said Dream Team. Yeah.
Divided we fall, and if our back shall ever be against the wall, we be together forever, you and I. United we stand, divided we fall, and if our back shall ever be against the wall, we be together forever, you and I.
Yeah. Alright, so we said Dream Team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Clean Team.
One team.
Dream Team.
One team.
You know, so that all said and done. So we are signing it off with a prayer. Esther said the Lord is our shepherd. So we're going to be quick. So we know one prayer, you can't come in the prayer, you know. If you're to come in the prayer. Yeah, go to the prayer, you want to come in the prayer, come in the prayer. You want to just sing prayer. prayer time. So you gotta say the Lord is our shepherd. Esther, when you're ready, you start it off. After reverence. Yeah. So after 3, 1, 2, 3.
Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. I shall walk in the light of the He leadeth me beside still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in paths of righteousness. He who walks through the shadow of death, I fear no evil. For thy rod with me, thy rod and thy staff, will comfort me. Thou preparest me before me in the presence of my enemies. Lord, and my heart against God, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life, forever and ever. Amen. Forever and ever. Amen.
Blessed God.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.